What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and first of all let's talk about the giveaway. I'm conducting a giveaway on my Instagram page where I'm giving a Huawei Band 4. I have shared the link of the giveaway in the description of this video, so just visit the link and participate in the giveaway to win this Huawei Band 4. And in this video we are going to do a quick unboxing of this retail box of Huawei Band 4. We are going to have a look on the product, its design, all of its features and the usual unboxing stuff. So let's start it. So first of all let's have a look on the retail box. As you can see, there is Huawei logo, Huawei Band 4 branding. Here is the picture of the device and it shows the design specs and also how the screen we are going to get on Huawei Band 4. It's a color touch screen display. So here we got some features that it comes with plug and charge technology, and it got creative watch faces. On the back side, once again we got some information. Once again these 2 points are shared, and then it says that Huawei Band 4 comes with heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking. We got 9 different kinds of workout, and it supports water resistance up to 50 meters. So it's Huawei Band 4, this is the model number, and the Huawei Band 4 we got inside this box is graphite black in color. The wristband is also graphite black. So now let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got the warranty card, and there is a quick start guide provided as well. So here we got the serial number and NTC approved number. Here is the fitness tracker. Here is a small instruction card that shows that how you have to charge your Huawei Band 4. So these are the only stuff we got inside the retail box of Huawei Band 4. The Huawei Band 4 fitness tracker, warranty card, the quick start guide, and a small instruction card showing how to charge the Huawei Band 4. As you can see that it comes with a unique charging method, so there is no USB cable provided in the retail box of Huawei Band 4 because you don't need it. So here is the Huawei Band 4. It's switched off right now, so I'm going to turn it on and do the initial setup. For the configuration and setting part, I'm going to make a separate video where I will show all of these settings that you can do on the device to use it perfectly. But in this video, I'm just gonna skip that part. And here we go. So this is the Huawei Band 4 after doing the configuration and setup. So here you can have a look on the screen and the display quality. It's pretty nice. It comes with 0.95 inch screen, and that's a touch screen. So here is one of the watch face where you will get lots of information like the time, date, and some information about your physical activities. So first of all let's talk about the design. So as you can see that from here to here we got the screen. Below that we got lots of empty space with a capacitive touch button. We got some bezels at the top as well, as you can see here. So this is the exact representation that this is the screen and the rest of the part is just plastic. Here we got the capacitive touch sensitive button. At the bottom we got the heart rate monitoring sensor, and the silicone strap is attached to it, and it's pretty lightweight. Officially it weighs less than 25 grams, around 24 grams including the wristband, so it's pretty lightweight for sure. And talking about the design, it's a usual fitness tracker design, but if you have a look on the screen you can see that the edges are curved. So this is 2.5D curved screen. If you have a look at the back of the fitness tracker, you can see that it is mentioned here that this is the USB port or slot, and there are once again a button provided. It's provided on the left hand side as well, but there is no marking that whether it's for USB or whatever. So if you just press this button and then you can take out the wristband, the strap from one side. As you can see here we got the connector that you will have to insert into USB port directly to charge it. There is no need of any cable, and you can also remove this part as well. As you can see that both parts are pretty much same on the both side. But here we got the pins for the connection to the USB, but here it's nothing, it's just solid plastic. So it is just for the design purpose or whatever. I don't know why Huawei provided this option to remove from other side as well, but this is how it works. And to connect them back, you just need to do like this, and the wristband will be connected to the fitness tracker. So in terms of design, it's pretty good. The screen is quite nice, the display quality is quite good, but the screen part is a bit small, so it would be nice if the tracker itself was small or the screen was a bit bigger. The 2.5D curved screen looks beautiful. The fitness tracker is pretty lightweight, and the silicon band is soft and comfortable as well. One good part of the design of Huawei Band 4 is that you don't need to use a USB cable to charge the tracker. All you have to do, just remove the wristband, and then you can directly connect the tracker to any of the USB port. And now let's talk about few of the features of this device. So this is the watch face, the home screen. As you can see, if you just tap on this, here you will get lots of information, that how much is the battery percentage, what's the weather information, whether it's connected to the Bluetooth or not. That's all we got here. To go back to this watch face from any screen, all you have to do, you need to just tap on this capacitive button and you will be back to the watch face, and you can swipe left or right to perform some tasks. So from the watch face, if you just swipe up, you will get the next mode. So this is the walking information. You can see that I did the setup just now, so it's all 0. If you tap on the main screen here, so you can go to the detail, and here you will find other information like how much steps you walked, the calorie burn, distance covered, for how much time you did the exercises, and here is the information how many times you were active in the last 12 hours. Here we got the heart rate monitoring. If you just go here, you can see that it's measuring, but you can see that the heart rate monitoring sensor is blinking, trying to get the data, but I'm not sure whether it's going to get any data because my body is not touching the sensor at all. So you can see that it is showing the message that make sure your band is on properly. So this is a good thing, that it is smart enough to identify that my body, my hand, my skin was not touching sensor, and it was not able to get any data out of it. So once again, if you want to go back from here, just swipe like this, or if you want to go back to the watch face, just tap on this. So here we got the steps counter, heart rate monitoring sensor, the sleep tracker is provided as well. Okay, that's all. We cannot go inside this. I think we will get the information about the sleeping pattern in the application. And then we got the workout, and here we got outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, elliptical, rover, and the free training for the cardio stuff and all for a hit. So we got lots of options here, as you can see, and once again you can go to any of them and select your target in terms of distance, duration, and calories, or none in my case, and then you can have some notification for 1 miles or something you can customize. Okay, so this is basically for the notification that how much distance you have covered after doing like 1 mile, 2 mile, whatever you would like to get. And here if you just tap, it will be started, I guess. Yes, so this is how it works. Let's go back from here, and what else we got here is more. So here we got some settings and options, like you got timer, and then we got stopwatch as well. We got watch faces, so this is interesting. So this is the watch face that we are using right now, and here we got another watch face. We got one more. This one I have selected by mistake. Let's go back from here. So these are the options we got. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, we got only 3 watch faces. Huawei says officially that in few regions there will be possibility to download the watch faces from the Huawei watch faces store or something, but I did not get the option while setting up the device, and you can see there is no option here on the device itself. So let's select this one, Let's go to the more part once again, and here we got find phone option. We got brightness. You can select the brightness, lower brightness at night. By default it is turned on. And what else we got here? Screen on. If you select this, then screen will sleep after 5 minutes. And then we got the battery information, 73%. And the system, if you go here, then reset, restart, and power off. So these are the options we got. And let me tell you one thing, that as you can see, there is no physical button provided here. So to turn on the device, first of all, you have to connect the device, like you have to remove the wristband and connect the device to USB port to turn it on. So there is the option to switch off the device, but there is no option to turn it on from the device itself. So you will have to connect it to any of the USB port, and then only you will be able to use it. And we go to more, and then there is messages. Basically messages is not messages but notification. So if your device is connected to your smartphones, then you will get the notification via Bluetooth on your Huawei Band 4, and that's also. These are the features and options we got here on our Huawei Band 4. So at the first glance, it is looking a pretty good small fitness tracking device. It comes with a color touch screen display with 2.5D curved glasses. So it looks beautiful. The only thing is that it would be nice if there was less empty space on the front side, more of the screen or less of the empty space, any of them. Overall, a better screen to body ratio. That's what I mean. The wristband is pretty lightweight, comfortable, and overall the fitness tracker itself is lightweight as well. So you can wear it 24/7 without feeling any discomfort. And since this is 5 ATM water resistant, you can use it while swimming, while taking shower, or anytime. So when I say 24/7, it really is a 24/7 fitness tracker. It comes with different watch faces that you can use on your Huawei Band 4, and if in your region the watch faces store is available, then you can even download more watch faces as well. Talking about the features, it comes with a pedometer, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, there is sleep tracking, and we got multiple exercise modes as well. So if your intention to buy Huawei Band 4 is basically fitness and activity tracking, then it is a pretty good device for that for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to participate in the giveaway to win one of these Huawei Band 4. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.